Views.
All right.
Your boy FGDZ, who I'm here with.
Okay.
It's your girl Ishmaelita, aka I Drip Ish, on all Houston platforms. Okay.
Hey, I know y'all recognize this face. She back.
I think we like the same thing.
Say what?
You ever been with a man?
She definitely back. Let's turn up.
Definitely back. Try to find love.
All right. So, yeah, I'm not a fan of this outfit at all, man. Yeah, you definitely need to cover up a little bit more. Y'all know how I feel about weave. Definitely no. We're gonna check her IG. Did they already put her IG up there?
I drip ish.
Oh, bad. Oh, God. Yeah, I'll tell you what. I'll pull her IG up. While this is going on, let me see what. Pull it up on another over here. While this is going on, let me. Wait a minute. Did I miss it?
She excited. Look, so I got a relationship question for you.
Yeah.
Ooh, okay.
You ready?
I'm gonna have to be. What we got?
So my relationship question is, how do you
Tell her
feel
raspy
about
voice.
50-50?
I'm cool for 50-50. As long as something else makes up on the back end, I'm down for it.
Most definitely.
But we're not gonna do the roommate thing forever. No.
Not forever. I feel it. I understand that. So let's say your man is down and he right now ain't got nothing, but you could tell the grind is real. You could tell he willing to be on his feet. You willing to hold him down?
Oh yeah, if he hold me down, I hold him down. We are teamwork. Teamwork make the dream work, baby.
That's exactly how I work, man. I really appreciate you, man. Let's get you out of there. You looking good.
All right, thank you.
All right, let's bring out our first beautiful lady. Hello, beautiful.
Hi. How you doing? Thank you.
Can I get your name and age?
I'm Ishmaelita, and I'm 41.
Okay, and what do you do?
I'm a body contouring specialist.
Okay. So what do we...
I think she said a body couturist or something like that.
Torsionist? At that? Okay. All right. Never mind.
Now that's them people that be
Yeah, I
rolling
thought that
around
was
in
small.
that what's the name thing. Well, them some strong ass bands, boy. Them damn thing, strong ass sheets. So we do have a. Let me see.
No, well,
That's not it.
mm-mm.
Oh.
Contortionists is the ones that be folding themselves up into persons
Oh.
and stuff,
Oh.
or squeezing into tight spaces. The silk rope.
Oh shit. That just messed me all the way up.
That's why I was like, they usually smaller than that. Not coming after her, but I mean, she could.
Anyway, this is I'm trying to pull this up. So this is her IG. Huh?
Oh, that makeup and stuff.
Oh yeah. See, I done finally been able to master this thing. Yeah. I can tell now. Yeah, not a fan of this. This looks like somebody that's single and somebody that's gonna be single for a very, very long time, unless she clean up this Instagram page up. Otherwise, she do content.
Single, all right? Do you have any children?
I do not. No kids.
He said no kids. All right. What kind of woman do you date, Jackson?
You know, I honestly date all types of women.
Oh boy, you know what? Nope, don't do it. Don't do it. Yeah, see, man, stuff like this is an automatic no, man. Hell no. She's taking pictures with Marlon. Marlon take pictures with everybody, man.
Oh.
Yeah, nah, this that don't scream wifey to me, dog. That look like somebody that's comfortable with being single. I wonder why she had her clothes off during the interview, but she put them on.
What are we looking for?
Just somebody to hang out with. Chill with.
Don't be
maybe
childish,
marriage
bro.
eventually, but yeah.
And what's a deal breaker for you?
Really don't have a lot of deal breakers. I don't do the extra lying and stuff and cheating. Other than that, I'm pretty cool.
So no red flags?
No.
No? Okay, so we gonna give him a chance.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So we do have a few pop balloons. Let's go ahead and check it out, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's come right over here. Hello, can I get your name and age?
I'm 9,000. I'm 33.
Is 9,000 your name?
Bruh.
Yeah.
Okay.
My government name is Cornell.
Okay,
All right,
so Cornell.
oh, come on, man. Cornell.
And what do you do?
I'm a tattoo artist.
Okay, and
Okay.
why did we pop our balloon?
You know, like, you know, I ain't looking for marriage right now. I'm looking, you know, just different things. I feel like
This is pop the balloon or find love. What? See, one thing I will say about the Arlette, like they make sure they vet those people sometimes or whatever. And I'm pretty sure this is one of the questions that they probably ask. Like, what are you looking for? If you're not serious about coming on the show and looking for love, then there's no reason why you should be on here in the first place.
I ain't what she looking for right now.
Okay, is that just a little too much commitment for you right now?
I just don't feel like I'm what she looking for.
But it's summertime. You didn't even know.
Summertime,
It's summertime.
that mean?
Sun's out, buns out. You didn't even know. You
right.
popped.
the world may never know.
All right, is he someone that's your type?
Oh, he's cute. Definitely. I like tattoos. I'm a body art person.
I know, but you're definitely very beautiful. I like your
thank
energy,
you.
Crystal. I like your vibe.
Okay, I'm gonna take you up though. I need a tattoo on my back.
For sure.
All right, might not have found love, but you know,
Okay,
it might network.
Give me a tattoo afterwards.
All right, let's go down to the next one. All right, can I get your name and age?
I'm Nick. I'm 25.
And what do you do, Nick?
I deliver mail for a living. Forgive me. I walk down the street carrying people's mail all day.
Okay. So you got
I like
some
a
strong
hardworking man.
legs.
Ain't no wrong with a hardworking man. Yes.
And why did you pop your balloon?
I pop because of the age. You know, I feel like it's an age gap, and you know, there's things that I gotta mature in. But
Yeah.
yeah, before I just want to feel like I'm not mature.
Brother, good
Yeah.
grief.
Okay, I commend that.
I got a
That-
daughter
This
your
dude
age.
over here. Did he just start smiling when he was over here stumbling over his words?
Oh,
Or he already had that little smirk on his face?
I didn't catch it.
For real?
Yeah.
That's cool. What's your name? But you
I
know-
mean, you want to drop her Instagram for him real quick?
Okay, Raquel the celebrity. She's a artist management. Yeah, Raquel the celebrity. Look out for her. That's my mini me.
Is she
looks just
pretty like
me.
you, though?
Yes.
all right.
She got the body like me, but y'all couldn't see because y'all popped your balloons.
All right, see someone that's your type?
Oh, he's dead.
This is an issue. She's up there leading with the wrong thing, even though she covered up. She talking about y'all popped y'all balloon, so y'all ain't even get to see the body.
It's summertime, buns out.
Yeah, man. Yeah, this thing is rink of red flag.
Definitely cute. I like the swag. The shoes are hidden. Okay.
That's love right there. I mean,
Okay,
man.
I like it. It's cute.
But remember, it's all about what's within. That matters.
Yeah, you're a little young for my taste, but I'll definitely hit you up. I got you.
I look tasty.
Like a little snack, you know.
I'm full course.
You're young. You a snack. Okay.
You got
I'll
me pulling
eat you
that Ricky
alive,
Smiley.
okay? Ooh. Baby, I'm grown.
All right.
All right.
Hey man, there's a difference between being a
All right, we're going to go down to the next one.
Nah, that's still too young.
Okay, all right, let's go on down to the
All
next one. Can I get your name and age?
My name is Quincy. I'm 29.
And Quincy, what do you do?
I'm a photographer.
Ooh.
Okay. And why did we
Hey, look,
pop our
Austin.
balloon?
Yeah, she's 10 years older than me. I can't do that. I can't do that.
No
You got an
cougar?
uncle?
why?
No. You know, I met your daughter, by the way.
Whoa! Oh damn!
She look just like me, right?
Yeah, she's cool.
Yeah. She's cool. Hell no. No, she don't. Now we got to do some deep digging, man. Yeah. No, she cool.
Is she
Something
someone
right.
that's more up your alley? The daughter?
Oh yeah, I like that dog. She cool. She fine.
Yeah, I like her.
Daddy, where you at?
Some mama. I'm some money.
The hell was it?
Nah, man.
All right, so it's the age thing.
Yeah.
that's
You know what I'm
fine.
saying?
He
Yeah.
said, I met your
Definitely well
daughter.
put together, very
Oh, so
handsome.
he's someone that's your
I
type?
like to play dress up. I like dress up Barbie, so I definitely can get some looks with this. Yeah,
You said I look like a Barbie?
I dress up. Oh no, I dress up like Barbie. You could be like my Ken, and it'd be fun.
Okay.
That's all.
That makes sense.
Okay, so you liked the vibe of the outfit and everything.
Yeah, I like to put things together.
That's dope.
Is that her
All
daughter?
right, let's go on down to the next one.
Okay.
Oh no, she just doing anything.
Can I get your name and age?
How you doing? I'm Ferrari and I'm 26.
Okay.
And what do you do?
My family owns Houston biggest dispensary, EMF.
Ooh. Smoke some.
Yeah, right, okay. And why did we pop our balloon?
It was just the age. You know, she's very pretty. I love her smile. Like, she got the face to where, like, if you smile, it'll make you smile. But as far as, like, dating serious love, I probably wouldn't do it. But on
We
the
can have
side,
fun
I don't
together.
mind.
We can have
I
fun
don't mind,
together,
you know, messing with a little.
And she, as old as she is, she talking about we can have fun together, and this is okay. This is okay for you. So I don't know, but if this is her daughter, because this look like a family photo. I'm just saying, if that is her daughter, yeah, if that is her daughter, what y'all think? Do y'all think?
Yeah, that's a relative. Oh, what mama got on? Oh, no.
What good Googling?
Is that a brother?
Could possibly be. All of them look like they some kin. I'm looking at their eyes. Yeah, it's definitely possible. His arm is up here, not down here. Yeah, 9 times out of 10. Yeah, that look like all family right there. Yeah, if that's the daughter, he probably wants something to look a little bit more petite. He talking about, man, yo mama out here wilding, yo. For real, this is probably somebody that I can have fun with. One of these little young dudes. What
But on the side, but taking serious.
Oh, baby,
Nah,
once you get ish, you get your wish, okay? Don't get it
You
twisted.
said you had kids?
I have kids.
How old was your oldest daughter?
My daughter's about to be 25.
See, that's if you're gonna have to see your daughter, but the mom and the daughter.
Okay.
If she look like
Mom
you.
and daughter finding love.
All right, Mama Bear. Is he someone that you're type?
Oh, he's definitely. I love chocolate. You know, chocolate and caramel mix. It's like a Snickers. It's okay.
She ain't come over here to find love. She looking for
find
somebody.
love.
I'm gonna catch him in the
I like
streets.
it.
Okay, I'm gonna wait
We're
till they
gonna
don't know
bust
my
it down.
age. We just gonna catch 'em in the
Okay,
streets.
you know that's what threw them off. It's okay because you
It's
sure
okay.
don't look like it. I'm
Okay,
gonna give you
I'll
that
take
one. Let's go down to the next one.
That's cute too. They all cute.
Can I get your name and age?
Rome, 34.
Okay, Rome. Can we? You sound like you should be on a radio station or something. Can we hear that one more time?
Button that real quick. What you say again? No.
Nah, she beautiful though. Just get straight to it. She beautiful, but I just got kind of thrown off by the jacket. Like she said,
Oh,
summertime.
you gotta wait. You didn't want your balloon back? So you can wait to see?
She said that she
It's
had
a
a
surprise.
surprise.
I'm gonna take it off. You want me to take it off?
Right now, touch up.
Let me hold that for you. Let me hold that for you. Go ahead. Go ahead. Can someone get the jacket for her, please? Thank you. And can we get a little 360? Bow, 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 bow. And there it is.
Nah, he can get it back.
Did we want to keep the balloon unpopped or did we want to go ahead and grab one?
For a reason,
Okay.
I pop, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go with that, but how you start is, you know, how you finish.
I like to play dress up sometimes, so yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Is he someone that's your type?
Wait, Rome is nice, okay? The voice and everything. The
I
look.
don't know. I don't know what her daughter is. Who her daughter is.
All right, let's go down to the next one. Can I get your name and age?
Jalen, I'm 23.
Okay.
And what do
Hey,
you
that's
do?
wrong, man.
I
Stop
do
playing.
HVAC. I work on ACs.
Okay. And why did we pop our balloon?
It was really just an age gap because I'm 23. You
Oh, yeah.
almost over my age, so I was like, I just can't really do it. So
Okay.
that was pretty much it, though.
Yeah, well,
Okay.
she
Other than that,
fighting for
physically,
that
is that
one.
your type?
No, she's beautiful, very beautiful. So other than that, I can't really complain. But like I said, it was just the age. So
Okay. And is he someone that's your type?
Oh yeah, it's beautiful. Chocolate. The blue is nice. I love the color blue
Thank
and
you, thank
gold.
you.
It looks good together.
Thank you.
You well put. Yes.
All right. Let's go on back down. We had
No
one
more balloons.
popped back here.
Yeah, see, I remember seeing this guy.
All right. Can I get your name and age?
my name Dex. I'm 34.
And Dex, what do you do?
I work in marketing management.
Okay. And why did we pop our balloon?
I held on because I had a question, but you know, my man's got her to take the trench coat off. So I was like, yeah, I don't know.
Was that your question?
No, that wasn't my question, but it was just
Ask the question.
So the question was, I know you said about marriage. I was like, what's your timeline on marriage?
There is no timeline right now. Right now, I'm just having fun. I'm having a good time. Told you,
Yep.
sun's out, buns out. I'm
'cause
traveling.
a lot of people put that pressure, you know, on the timeline. So I was just trying to get a.
Man, listen. So you're 41. I'm not trying to be funny, but you're 41, and you coming on this show don't have any serious intention I mean, you can tell. Soon as the way that she presented herself, I already knew what time it was. But I don't know. Maybe I was hoping, I was leaving something for her, maybe a chance or something like that. That it's more than crickets going on up here. So the fact that you have children, you're older, and you're still just looking for fun. What my boy say? When does it end?
Understanding of what that was.
Did you like that answer?
I mean, yeah, it's a good answer, but yeah, I still got it.
So we're gonna keep it popped? Okay.
Yeah. So I feel like that was a little vibe right there.
You know, I'm not for everybody.
Yeah, I understood.
I know he said he saw that vibe down there. That's what it was.
See, I might be blonde tomorrow. You never know who you gonna get.
Okay, well, if he's the one that's your type.
I like to put together. The shoes are definitely hidden. I like the blazer. Right. Yes.
Custom made.
I like the.
Okay. Ooh.
Okay, you want to step out for us real
Okay.
quick? Let him see.
Yes. See why it's like, watch. It's gonna be like,
Black owned business too, so
Ow.
I got these custom made.
you know, it would have been cute.
We might need to get that balloon back because the vibe right there was beautiful. Are we sure that we don't want?
This year, I'm gonna have to hold on to my decision. I don't like the second guess, but she's beautiful for sure. It's definitely somebody I would take out and approach.
Tell your uncle or daddy to call me, okay?
All right, babe. So that are all the pop balloons.
Okay.
Beautiful.
No problem.
We had a blast though.
All right,
Thank you
bye,
for
y'all.
coming back.
Blueberry, Burberry, button up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.